Hi, my name is Chad Swan with the Inspection Group out of Westerville, Ohio. I just wanted to provide a quick testimony regarding our experience working with Dharma and his team on a couple of projects that we've had. Back in 2018, we first started working with Dharma. Our company provides housing inspections, multifamily housing inspections for clients around the country that need to adhere to a HUD protocol. And because of that, we had some software developed early on by a different company. And it wasn't too long after that that we started to run into some issues with that, and ended up finding Dharma and his team, and they really helped us work through different issues that we needed addressed with the old software that we were using. He was phenomenal to work with, great communication, and did his best trying to create patchworks or patchwork and other solutions to try to have our old software function the way we needed it to function. Fast forward to about 2022, HUD decided to implement a new protocol for these housing inspections, which drove us to want to create a new software program that our inspectors could use out in the field to help properties get prepared for these HUD inspections. We obviously reached right out to Dharma and his team and asked for a quote to create this new software from scratch, and just like before, the service and the end result was just absolutely phenomenal. Um, as far as pricing goes, we felt it was very fair. Didn't have any issues with what he charged. We thought it was very reasonable. Um, but the biggest thing for us was the overall experience working with him. The one thing that really stood out to me personally is that Dharma took the time to really learn our business and learn what we did or do in the field and what we're looking for and how a typical day works for us, so that he could be better prepared to create the software that we needed. Um, and that was something that I really wasn't prepared for. I didn't expect someone to have so many questions about our business and how we operated, just so he could create a product that was better for us in the end. The quality of work that they provided was again outstanding. The first version that he released to us was a great start. I mean, we had very little tweaks that we had to do, and anything that we had to do to make it work better in the field was immediately addressed. I just couldn't have asked for a better partner throughout this whole thing, this whole process of creating our software. His communication was great. Um, Always following up, scheduling Zoom meetings with us at least once every week or two to see how we were doing, releasing updated versions as fixes were done, and following up with us as we did inspections in the field to make sure everything was working properly, everything was uploading properly into our databases. The impact that he has had, or that the software has had that he created for our business is I don't know if we can put a dollar figure on it. I mean, it's important for us that in our business to get through these inspections in a timely fashion. There's several apartments that we need to do every day, and having software that is responsive and easy to manipulate and easy to navigate is ultra important to our business. And he created something for us that is quick. It's very responsive. There's no lag time in it, and it just works flawlessly. There's no question that we will use him again. As a matter of fact, on another side of our business, on the Section 8 side, HUD is looking to implement the same type of protocol that they just switched to, that prompted us to use Dharma. They're looking at using the same protocol on the Section 8 side of HUD, and we will be contracting with Dharma again to create a new version of our software that does basically the same thing, but it's a little bit different as far as scoring. But the deficiencies and everything will be very similar, and Dharma has already created the great groundwork for us to be able to create something new, and just our experience with him in the past, there's no question that he's the person to go to for us, and we appreciate all of his help. Great communication, even to this day, checking in on us to make sure that everything's working properly and addressing any issues that we have. So I have no problem at all extending our endorsement of him and his work. Just a quality guy, a great person to work with, and look forward to working with him in the future. So hope that helps you.